Hi, welcome to SolidCam. In this video, we will look at swarf machining in simultaneous 5-axis. Swarf machining is a very interesting operation which is used for finishing the walls using the full length of the tool. Sometimes full length is not possible because the cutting length of the tool is less than the wall height. So in such cases, you can machine using multiple step downs. In general, swarf is always done using a single pass, but like I said, sometimes it's not possible. So we have a situation where we have the wall surfaces here. We've picked the wall surfaces and we have picked the floor surfaces. All that is needed for swarf is wall and floor. So if you look at the toolpath itself, the definition of the toolpath itself, we have got the floor surface, the swarf surface, and the floor surface. Then we define the tool, which is a taper ball nose in this case, and that's all is needed. We have got very minimum parameters in tool axis control because it's highly automated algorithm. So let's hit the calculate button, and this is it. The toolpath is calculated, single pass. So if I run the simulation of the toolpath, if I switch off the holder, this is how the toolpath looks like. So it's using the side of the tool to generate a single pass and machine the complete area. So there could be, like I said, situations where you could have the length of the cutting length of the tool less than the total length that needs to be swarfed out. In such cases, you can always use multiple step downs like what we have done here. We've used multiple step downs by selecting the swarf area or the swarf surface. So you can do that, and if you go in this region, this is how the machining is done. So swarf operations generally can be performed on components like aerostructures. It can be also performed in multi-blade finishing, which also has a swarf operation which uses the same engine. So it's a very handy operation for finishing straight walls. But swarf also can be used for finishing non-straight walls also. So if you have a high radius, you can still use swarf machining to scoop out the material from the wall. Thank you very much for watching this video.